How to fix Hey Google not working on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get your Google Voice Assistant back up and running. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on the search bar and type in Google to find the Google app. From there, tap on the Google app from the search results and check if an update is available. At this point, if you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the update to finish installing, as outdated versions are one of the most common reasons Hey Google stops responding. In the next step, once the update is done, go back to your home screen and long press on the Google app icon. Following this, tap on App Info to open the app details. Once done, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be causing the issue. From here, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. At this stage, tap on Google, then tap on the All Services tab at the top. After this, scroll down and tap on Settings for Google Apps, then tap on Search Assistant and Voice, and then tap on Gemini. Once completed, tap on Talk to Gemini hands-free and check if the Hey Google toggle is switched on. Finally, if the toggle is off, turn it on and tap Turn On when prompted. If it's your first time setting it up, follow the on-screen instructions and say the words shown on the screen so Google can complete the voice match setup and recognize your voice. And that's it. If this guide helped you get Hey Google working again on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.